Did you know that you can adjust your drop-down lists in Excel so that once you select an entry in one cell, that same entry won't be available anymore in the next one? Check this out. Imagine you have a list of names in column E and a list of tasks in column C. What we want to do is to set up a dynamic dependent drop-down list in column B so that we can assign each person to one task and ensure that no person is selected twice. To achieve that, we first have to insert the match function and reference our name column and the column that is going to contain our drop-down lists. What the match function does is to search for each value in the range of column E inside the range of column B. If a value is not found, then match returns an error, and if a value is found, then match returns a 1. Then, to extract each error of the match function, we combine it with the isError function. The isError function checks each value of the match function, and if a value is an error, meaning the value is not found, isError returns a true. Next, we can just use the outcome of this for the include argument inside our filter function and then transpose it using the toRow function. Finally, drag the formula down, select this entire range, then go to Data Validation, select List, and reference the array. And there you have it.